Rich in protein and fiber, helps lower the risks of heart diseases, helps in weight loss, helps lower blood pressure, helps in digestion, helps strengthen the bones in women. Let us prepare delicious soya keema matar masala.
Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a vessel, add 1 liter of hot and boiling water. I am adding 200 grams of mini soya chunks. Soak them well in water. Cover and keep it aside for 8 to 10 minutes. Check if the soya chunks have soaked well and turned fluffy. Now drain them well. Squeeze and take out excess water. This is really important that your soya chunks don't have excess moisture, so squeeze them well. Coarse grind them in mixer jar. In a kadai, add 2 tablespoon oil. Add whole spices, cinnamon stick, cloves, fennel seeds, star anise, elaichi. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Add 2 medium-sized chopped onion. Fry this well together. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Saute them well together. Once you see the onions turn slightly translucent, add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Mix this well together. Add salt as needed. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix this well. Gently mix them until the tomatoes turn mushy. Add the coarsely ground soya chunks. Give this a good mix. Add 1 cup cooked green peas. Add some water. I am adding around 100 ml of water. Once you give this a good mix, add 100 ml more. Adjust water consistency as required. Once you see the water boil, garnish it with coriander leaves. Tasty, healthy and delicious soya keema matar masala is ready. Chamail ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.